In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Overstock account in 2025 step by step. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the official Overstock website, which is now associated with Bed Bath & Beyond. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site before continuing. This helps you avoid unofficial pages and makes the sign-up process smoother. When you're on the home page, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Sign In. After that, choose the option that says Create Account or Register, depending on what appears on your screen. The wording can vary slightly, but it will lead you to the account setup page. Next, enter the required information to create your account. You'll typically need to provide your first name, last name, email address, and a password. As you create your password, it's a good idea to choose one that's strong and secure. A solid password usually includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps protect your account and keeps your personal information safer. After filling in your details, review the terms of use and privacy policy. It's always worth taking a quick look so you understand how your information will be used and what rules apply to your account. If there are any required checkboxes, go ahead and check them to confirm your agreement. Once everything is filled out correctly, click the Create Account or Sign Up button. In most cases, your account will be created right away and you'll be able to move forward immediately. Some users may be asked to verify their email address. If that happens, open your email inbox and look for a verification message from the company. Open that message and click the verification link inside. After your email is confirmed, return to the website and sign in to your new account. Once you're signed in, you can complete your profile and set up your account for easier shopping in the future. This may include adding shipping addresses, saving payment methods, managing your communication preferences, checking your order history, and tracking orders or returns. Taking a few extra minutes to set these details up now can save you time later when you're ready to make a purchase. And that's it. That's how to make an Overstock account in 2025. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be up and running in just a few minutes.